Hi there! In this video, we're going to be looking at what Standard English is. Standard English is the term used to describe the form of the English language used commonly in formal writing and formal speaking. It does not include any incorrect grammar or slang, as this is seen to be very informal. Some examples of slang are saying veg instead of vegetable, or telly instead of television. There are some common mistakes that people make when using the English language. Use these top tips when you are writing or speaking to make sure that you are using Standard English. It is important to make sure that the subject and verb agree. For example, we was hungry. Should be we were hungry. Was should be used for a singular subject, while were should be used for a plural subject. Be careful not to use the word of instead of have. I would have liked to have stayed longer at the party. Should be, I would have liked to have stayed longer at the party. Homophones, words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings, can sometimes be used incorrectly. For example, it is our house. Should be, it is our house. Think about the meaning and spelling of the word when you are writing homophones. It is also important to make sure that the correct form of the verb has been used. Keris seen her older brother yesterday. Should be, Keris saw her older brother yesterday. Seen is the past participle, whereas the correct form of the verb was the simple past tense saw. Here is another common mistake where the past participle is used instead of the simple past tense. Micah done his spelling homework. Should be, Micah did his spelling homework. Take a look at the first question. Which sentence is written in Standard English? A football coach come to our school yesterday. The children was kicking the ball to each other. Stella hasn't got no PE kit. Marcus and Sanjay were practicing penalty shots. A top tip is sometimes it helps to read the sentences out loud to see if they sound right. The first sentence contains the wrong verb form. The simple past tense came should be used instead of the past participle come. In the second sentence, the subject and verb don't agree. Was should be were because children is plural. In the third sentence, the word no has been used incorrectly instead of any. The final sentence has been written in Standard English. Well done if you got that one right. In this question, you are being asked to circle the correct word in each row to complete the sentences in Standard English. The carol singers did, done, a great performance on Christmas Eve. The group sang very good, well. Betsy thought they should have, of, all worn fancy dress. Pause the video and press play when you have your answers. How did you get on? Did you say the sentences out loud to help you? In the first sentence, the correct answer is did because the simple past tense is needed here. In the second sentence, the correct answer is well. This is because well is an adverb and describes how the group sang. The word good does not work here because it is an adjective. In the third sentence, the correct answer is have. Of is not a verb and does not work in this sentence. Well done if you got those right. For our final question, you are being asked to tick one box in each row to show whether the sentence is in Standard English or non-Standard English. Ricky doesn't know nothing about how to look after cats. Please pass those cans of cat food. Geeta seen a cat poster in the supermarket. Our pet cat is called Buttons. Pause your video now and press play when you are ready. Do you have your answers? Great. The first sentence is in non-Standard English because the word nothing has been used instead of anything. The second sentence is in Standard English. In the third sentence, non-Standard English has been used because the past participle seen has been used instead of the simple past tense saw. Finally, the last sentence is in Standard English. Excellent work. Well done. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to use standard English when you are writing and speaking. If you're looking for more SPaG help, we have lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.